Yes on yes.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Pretty exciting day. I'm gonna open up my headlights and install halos in them. I've got like cheap RGB halos from eBay. I'm pretty sure I bought them off. Just gonna install them today. I need a new ballast put in, so it was an excuse to buy halos. So you need to take off the front bumper in order to get the headlights off. The car already came with halos, but it's just blue halos, and I got pulled up by cops for that, for impersonating a police officer or police vehicle. I'm gonna exchange those to the RGB ones that I got. I got the drive side light out, all stripped. So pretty much everything has to come off except that igniter. Apparently that can stay in, so that'll stay in. That's just the wires to the old halos that were in. The ballast has to come off. It's just those 3 screws. That's the ballast right there. And there's like a whole shroud there that holds the ballast in. I'll show you guys on the other headlight. Take off the headlight. It's pretty much just that top bolt here. There's one down there. This one that's hiding under here. Where? Under there. And one under this with a strip here. That one there. All the bolts are the old 10 mil. Unbolted the headlight and it should come out about this far, and that's what it exposes. We're going to take literally everything off. That's not everything off. The only thing that you need to take off now is this bracket to the ballast, which is pretty much 3 screws. And then you get the ballast off. There's the other one, keep the igniter in, take that off. That's just a bracket. And anything else that might need taken off, obviously this cover, that's pretty much it. And then after that, chuck them in the oven or in a box with a heat gun, and if all goes well, it'll work. Take this bracket off to get to the ballast. It's pretty much just 3 screws. 1, these 3. Once you've taken that off, which is this piece of plastic right there, that's the ballast right there. These 3 big screws is what's holding it in. Oh shit, oh shit. And I would just pop this right off. Have the igniter. That's rusted. Look at that. That's bad. And the igniter is just in right there. And just take that brown connector off and that screw out, and it's free. We did both headlights. Everything's stripped. Everything's done. Now just gonna put them in the oven. Fits in the oven perfectly. Just gonna get a rag, like a towel. Just gonna wet this with cold water. Put it on a baking tray. Chuck the headlight on to the baking tray on top of this with the lens facing up. We got the headlights spread apart. We're just going to take off this cover, that red one there, to get to that halo and put the new ones in. To take this whole thing off. So all these screws have to come out. Now we'll just take the pieces out carefully. There we go. just clean up all this super glue from there, and then we're just gonna test fit these onto this and see what it looks like. And it's that perfect fit. Sweet. We're just gonna do the other one, wire everything up. Hell yeah, I'm excited. Let's get it. Let's get it. We got both the headlights done. Well, not done, but they're kind of put together. I need to put them back in the oven and set them back together and everything like that. And chuck them on the car and then we're done. I went and just routed it behind there. So that should be alright. I just need to seal all this back up, put it in the oven, and we're done. Chucked it back in the oven, resealed everything as good as I could. Now just chucking everything back together, putting in a new ballast, so hopefully that fixes my headlight problem. Not sure how the halos are yet. We tested it before and it works. It's pretty bright. We'll see how it looks and if it turns on when all their headlights are in, everything's all plugged in. But yeah, let's start putting everything back together and yeah, fun. Alright guys, as you can see, it's dark right now. Had a little bit of a headache. It would not work. My park lights would not work. Just the front park lights weren't working. They're still not working, but I do know the problem. It took me, I don't know, I was over it. I took like an hour break. I found out the problem, it was a clearance fuse where the fuse box is next to the battery. It was a 10 amp fuse that blew, and then I chucked in another 10 amp that blew straight away. Then I chucked a 15 amp that blew straight away. I think I need a resistor or something to make it work, but I'm calling quits on today, but we'll work on it tomorrow again and see if we could get this thing working. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, day 2 of these halos. We're gonna try this thing for the second time. It looks really good. It looks really good. Tuck the wires in there. And then that like edge up to there. Looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it, but let's get this thing working. One headlight's out. We're just working from that headlight because I think we're wiring everything to that park light because I want the halos to turn on when the park lights is on, but I'm not gonna have any park lights, if that makes sense. They'll be like daytime running lights type thing. So we're gonna chuck in some resistors that we found from the old halos. Gonna chuck that on, see if that works, and yeah. Just soldered this resistor to this plug that goes into the control box, and now we're just gonna solder this one, see if it turns on and if it works. But happy days, happy days. Please save this. We did all that. We got plugged in the headlight again, chucking in another fuse in this fuse box. The clearance one is a 20 amp fuse right now, but it's actually a 10 amp fuse, but so you can see there it's 10 amp. So we're just going to chuck in a 10 amp fuse, see what happens. First test, park lights do work. The fuse did not blow, so that's all good. The resistor did work, but the halos aren't working, so we're just trying to find out what's happening. We used a different resistor. This time it works. It really works. We're just gonna wait a bit and see if anything blows or anything, but it freaking works. Check it out. So it is RGB. After 2 days, we finally got it working. It looks so good. Look at this shit. Look at it. It looks so good. It looks so freaking good. It was well worth it. It was actually well worth it. You guys are thinking of putting halos on your 370Z. Highly recommend it. You get just the one with the one ring, or you can have both of these. It changes the whole look of the car when it's on and just looks so good. Alright guys, as always, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the halos. If you guys are thinking about it, highly recommend it. Please like and subscribe for more content and future videos. I'm going to do like cruise videos soon and all that good stuff, so stay tuned.